Now, in your role, you are only responsible for your success. You are only responsible for your own failures. Because as a teacher, as a head, whatever we could do for you, we are there always. We will help you, we will support you, we will guide you, and inshallah, whatever we can do for you, we will try our level best. So let us come to the category of a student. In every school, there are three categories of students you will be finding. One is below average, another is average, and other is super creamy layer. So these three category students are there everywhere. So what I think is that first our plan should be focused on the people, those who are getting very less marks, those who are near to the failures, and you all are better aware of your own subjects. And what is your position, you all are well aware. Everyone is aware of your own intelligence, your own strength, your own weaknesses. You all are aware. There is no question that no one is unknown about all these facts. Everyone is aware of all these facts. So now when you are aware of your own facts, keep yourself own data, prepare your own data and write down your strength. Where, which subject I can fail or I can get less marks. First, this is the question you need to ask yourself. Where and in which subject I will get very less marks. It may be mathematics, Telugu, social, math, physics or any subject, whomsoever it may be, whichever it may be. This is the first question as a 10th class student you need to ask yourself. Now second question is that which subject I am very much strong. I have more number of marks or I can score more number of marks on particular or in this particular subject. So this is the second question you should ask to yourself. Then third question which you should ask to yourself, could I get the 10 GPA? Could I get the 9 or 8 or a 7 or a 6 GPA? You need to calculate your own strategy. सबको अपनी own strategy बनाना है. Everyone. That where I am, right now what is my position, where I am and where I can reach. Do I possess the caliber to get the good grades? Do I have that caliber to achieve very great marks? This is the question which you need to ask yourself. Then after asking the question, you need to write the answer on the paper. Yes, I have the caliber, I can achieve 10 GPA. You need to write that. Now then, yes, I have the caliber. Right now I can achieve 7 GPA. Right now I can achieve 8 GPA. Right now I can achieve 6 GPA. This is the question which you need to ask yourself and you need to put it down on the paper. Then, what can I do for achieving more grades now? If a child who is getting 7 GPA need to achieve 8 to 10 or 8 to 9 GPA. That should be the strategy and planning. And this should be the thought. If I have the caliber, if Allah has given me the caliber of getting 9 GPA, what strategy I can make and I can achieve 10 GPA? This should be the mindset. It's all about the mindset. जंगें मैदान में नहीं जीती जाती, जंग कहाँ जीती जाती है? दिमागों से जंग जीती जाती है. तो जंग अभी आपकी आने वाली है, फाइनल एग्जाम्स, दैट इज द मेन वॉर, और उसको जीतने के लिए पहले आपको ब्रेन सेट बनाना होगा, माइंड सेट बनाना होगा. दैट आई एम सो एंड सो कैटेगरी, I myself form myself in this category, this level. I need to achieve bigger. I need to achieve above my level. मेरे लेवल से मुझको ज़्यादा मार्क्स हासिल करना है. Now the question is, what should I do then? What should I do? क्या करना है उसके लिए? Now as a team and all our team members are here, we have some plans for you. Our own plannings will be there. Those planning, whatever we have the plans, you need to take it from us and then you need to stick to those plans strictly. Strictly उसको stick हो जाना. Then every day you need to achieve those plans. See, make smaller tasks. Never go for the direct bigger task. what you should do every day. Make a day, first success your one day, then the next day will come. पहले आज के सूरज को काबू करो, फिर कल का सूरज आपका होगा. समझ रहे हो? This today what I can do, tomorrow what I can do. Tomorrow morning 9 a.m. to evening 6 o'clock or even 8 o'clock. This is what Allah has given me the time schedule. अब ये टाइम शेड्यूल में what I can do for myself, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, कितना अपने आप को इम्प्रूव कर सकता हूँ. This is the question you need to ask yourself. Everyone can improvise. There is no question that I have a hope that after 2 months, inshallah, 100% result will be there. This is what my hope on everyone. And Allah will definitely open the doors for success to each and everyone. Because I knew that everyone has a caliber. The only thing is that you need to sit and do the hard work. सबके पास कैलिबर है, समझदारी है, सलाहियतें हैं अल्लाह ने जो आपको दी है. बस उसको एक डायरेक्शन चाहिए. एंड दैट डायरेक्शन वी आर हियर. वी आवर टीम इज हियर विद यू. वी विल गिव यू दैट डायरेक्शन. वी विल होल्ड द हैंड विथ यू. यू नीड टू कैरी बाय होल्डिंग अवर हैंड्स. जिंदगी में कामयाब होने के लिए किसी के सामने अपने आप को पेश करना पड़ता है. समझ रहे हो? अपने उस्तादों के आगे अपने आप को पेश करना पड़ता है. अपने बड़ों के आगे अपने आप को पेश करना पड़ता है. यस सर, आई एम रेडी. व्हाट यू वांट टू डू विथ मी? यस, आई एम रेडी टू विन द वार. व्हाट शुड आई डू नाउ? कम ऑन सर, से मी. कम ऑन टीचर्स, व्हाट यू वांट फ्रॉम मी? दिस इज द आंसर यू शुड हैव फॉर योर टीचर्स. नेवर कंपेयर योर टीचर्स विथ अदर्स. No need to compare. Everyone has Allah has given the talent to each and everyone. Follow their footprints, follow their guidelines. What they are saying, try to listen them, accept that, and then if you have a better plan, come to us. Definitely we will accept your plans also. There is no question. If you think that you have a better plan, you can come with your own better plan. But Alhamdulillah, we have got success over 8 years. This is not the first or a second or a third. Nearly 10-15 batches we have moved in our supervision. So there is no question of fearing for you. And when it comes to the teacher strategy, they have their own strategy. When it comes to the school strategy, we have our own strategy. Teachers आपको जो भी गाइड करेंगे क्लासेस में सुनिए, रेस्पेक्ट कीजिए उनकी, and then definitely Allah will open the doors of success. So this what I said. क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछना है आपको? Stand and what is the question you need to ask? From where I started the lecture, what is the question you need to ask yourself? कौन सा सवाल अपने आप से करना है आपको? Boys anyone? कौन सा सवाल करना है अपने आप से? Yeah, stand and say. How much score I can achieve? Sit down, very good. Next question. Girls, anyone? Yes, stand and say. How much score I can achieve? What is the caliber Allah has given in me? What is my strength and where I am weak? Second question. मेरी ताकत क्या है और मेरी कमजोरी?